Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Audrey and I'm so excited about today's video. I'm here to share with you my best blackhead removal solutions with you. Hit subscribe or the bell for notifications. So the most important real estate you will own is right here, i.e. your face. So for the Derms, Dr. Fields and Rodan, their goal was to give their patients the best skin of their lives. The number one skin concern that the Derms have heard over the years is Dr. Rodan and Dr. Fields, I hate my pores. So let's show Blackhead who's the boss with the new Blackhead removal tool. It's a high quality pore extraction device that you can use in the comfort of your own home. With the strength and ease, our patented pore tool system offers you instant perfection. It immediately unclogs your pores and eliminates blackheads for a healthier, smoother, and again, more radiant complexion. The pore prep solution really is amazing. It dissolves sticky oil, dead skin cells, and debris with salicylic acid and lactic acid, and the targeted tips include the optimum combination of pressure and suction to remove the gunk. So I've got some presentations I want you to watch. One is the doctor's and the next one is our Chief Scientific Officer in Dr. Tim Fowler. And then I'll give you some more information as the video goes on. So stick with me and learn more about blackhead removal solutions. And next up, you're going to hear from Dr. Tim Fowler about the actual pore cleansing system. So now it's in your hands. If you want to know about the blackhead removal at home, we're bringing professional quality pore cleansing right in your home. And this is from the dermatologists Dr Rodan and Rodan Fields. And again, you can look on the link below and book an appointment. So again, reiterating that 97 saw fewer clogged pores and blackheads immediately. 83% saw cleaner pores immediately, and 76% had smoother skin immediately. 70% had tighter looking pores after 1 day. So this is why I love clinical trials results, which are actually shared with you. So again, if you're interested, the link will be below. The brand gives the consultant myself, and I'll give the product through to you via my website or a free appointment. Hit subscribe or like on my channel, and I love speaking to you. And